hell no, Sonic. We are. Instead, we should be Los Relitas. We killed his family and his friends yesterday, and he said we killed his family, but Eggman did. Yeah. Little killers. Los Talitos. You gonna pay guy what you did to my Los Talitos. You gonna pay what you done to my friends and my family. Oh my God, Sonic, we're gonna die. I know. I think I'm gonna take a poop though. Alexa, play Live and Learn.
Live and Learn by Kurt Floyd on Amazon Music.
We have to live and learn, Sonic. Shut up! Yeah, guys, wait for me. Oh yeah, I came in and right in a party. Oh, shut up! You're party. We have to return. We've seen it for 40 years. Probably 50. That's like just the A-list. Hey, wait, Shadow, where's that? I don't know. Maybe he just died or something, or he's just not alive anymore. We don't know. What was that? Subscribe, like and share. Let's do it one more time. It'll get this video. But you know, amazing. Alright, come on, Sonic. Right. You're going down, Sonic. I'm always gonna. No, you are. Oh yeah! I think going fast, fast and fast and fast and fast. Nothing can stop me. Alexa, Alexa. Alexa, 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 I do this. What? Come on, Tails. You take it forever. We don't have that much time here. You guys are the best friend ever. I'm so grateful for y'all. Y'all the best friends I freaking ever had you. Little Sahor. Wow, I love those people. Wow, I don't love them that much. My favorite rainbow is Mosquito. My favorite bear is Mosquito Scene. My favorite is remember that flying a duck? My favorite is Cappuccino Hatsino. He got the shorts. And Knuckles' favorite is old din 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 din. And Amy's favorite is Ballerina Cappuccino. Nickman's favorite is Bronson Sonora. He said that he said that's his favorite prank because it's evil. Alright, praise the ladder right there, Shadow. I'm really grateful to have you as a friend, Shadow. I really like you that much. Chad, Tails, who's the faker? Me or son? Both of y'all. Hey! You using the faker? Both of y'all. Now, enough conversation. Alright, fine. Alexa, play Green Hill Zone.
Green Hill Zone from Sonic the Hedgehog by Kumi on Amazon Music.
Hello, Sonic. Let's do this head. Well, you just jump on my head, then you jump on my head, and then we do like that. Whatever. I'll still do this more and more and more as long as I could. Bye, guys. I'm going. I'll leave right out. Yeah, guys. Y'all guys, stop.